Model, 68-plate Renault Master short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive SL28dCi 110 business low-roof van Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 99,933. Engine, 2,298 CCM 90-110 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, reversing camera, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,275. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074